ซอยประดิษฐ์ซอยประดิษฐ์
Walking the streets of Bangkok, walking down Soi Pradit, yeah, yeah. Walking down Soi Pradit, oh, oh, those streets of Bangkok. Bangkok, baby, oh, oh, Bangkok, baby, yeah, 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 yeah. Bangkok, baby, ba, 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 do. Ooh, just walking down Soi Pradit. Streets of Bangkok, ooh, streets of Bangkok. Just walking down Soi
Okay, this is the Nelson Hayes Library. We're going to be filming a street that's adjacent to it, right over there. But we're going to put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And what I'm doing is just kind of showing streets of Bangkok so people have a better idea what it looks like, street by street at a time. So stay tuned. Let's go check this street out. Walking the streets of Bangkok, just in case you don't really know. So what I do is I'm usually in Macau and I'm filming streets and I'm kind of documenting it. And I also travel and I get down to Bangkok and I've been there many, many times. Maybe 40 times over the last 30 years, maybe 50, 60 times over the last 30 years. And these days, the last 5-6 years since I've had this channel, I'm filming the streets. So you can see exactly where we're at in Bangkok. And we're gonna be going down it. And I also have a lot of other streets in Bangkok. So just kind of stay tuned. I'll put up a new one every 3-4 days or so. So keep watching for more of those. Okay, as if you're there yourself, the streets of Bangkok, street by street. Yeah, okay, so we got this beautiful library right here. We're gonna walk down this street. Let's just see what it looks like even. There it is. So this is gonna be kind of a little bit of a random street. We'll see what the street sign is. It's on that side. Let's see if we can walk across here. Right there. Soi Pradit. We're part of something called Bangkok. And this is our other street that I was walking down, these nice sidewalks. So we're gonna see what this looks like along the library and follow this down. So let's check out this Soi. I don't know what to expect exactly, but this was kind of the foundation of it. This library. And then when I look on the map, you can see things on Google Maps that are like yellow and white. And the yellow means that there's something going on. There's some reason. There's more pedestrian traffic. It's more of a downtown feel of some kind. So this one looks like it's, let me see, Thailand massage. And then you have these over here. So, okay. I don't know if these are going to open up more at nighttime, if they're like, what they are exactly. There's a shopping, looks like there's a lot of shopping straight ahead. Here's some old style Thai houses. Kind of give you an idea what things look like in Bangkok and some of their most random streets. Usually people will stick to the most touristed ones. Huh, looks like we got a mosque up here. Didn't know that. Huh. Let's see what else we got in here. clothing. Chinese New Year. Huh. Suprego. So yeah, it looks like the street's going to be kind of marked by this mosque. Okay, didn't expect that. Drip, IV drip. Anyways, not all streets are, some streets are like this. Looks like they even have halal food, so I guess this might be a little bit of a Thai Muslim area. Looks like we have a lot more people up there. Let me see. Got some cars. I kind of want to go into the street on the other side. Okay. It's pretty cool architecture. Soi Pramat. I guess that's a mosque right up there, so you can see it directly up that way. Lots of people. So yeah, it looks like they just had a service. So yeah, that's the mosque right there. Mira Sweden. It's hard to navigate in here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down. This is kind of picking up a lot of traffic in here too. Let me see. Different foods, fish. Okay. So we keep on going down, all the way down our street. Pulling up. Thank you. Okay, so let's go on down. Tight fit here. Okay. So we're gonna come to an end right at the end of the street right here. So yeah, I guess this street is marked with a mosque on it, which I didn't know. And now we're in Silom. So that was a little Pradit. Now we're kind of on this busy road. Hindu temple over there as well. Okay. Okay, so we'll end it right there. Slice of Bangkok here for you.